Hi everyone, it's me, DL. I got my Secret Santa package. I'm so excited, so I wanted to share it with you guys. I've opened it, but I haven't looked in it, so just so you can see, which I hope you can see, because I'm kind of doing a different angle here, but let's get started. This is so exciting. I got some corsage pins, and I got rotton buff. We got the silver leaf and the gold leaf. Oh, I've been so wanting this, Oh, this is awesome. These are on my list too. There, I don't know. I'll have to show you them. And the corsage pins. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, what a pretty stocking. This is so nice. I love it. Oh, that is awesome. Oh, those are cool. Little jigsaw alphabets. Those are really cool. And Heidi Grace Designs, cardstock journaling mounts. Those are wicked. Very cool. I guess my hand's in the way, huh? That one and that one. Oh, so exciting. It jingles. Oh, how cute. Little ornaments. How neat are they? And they jingle. And I got some paper clips. Oh, those are awesome. All different shapes. And some organizational envelopes. Oh, those are really cool. Those are really cool. They'll be cool in minis. I like those. And some doilies. Awesome. Oh, little Santa Claus and Christmas tree bling. How super cool. That is so sweet. And some rub-ons, Journey. Those are nice. Oh, sheer frame combos. Those are cool. It says love and it's got a little heart. Very nice. And some metal signage. Will you be my Valentine? Cuddle. Love struck. Swack. Seal with a kiss. Aww. Those are awesome. Oh, and a little snowman. How cute. I think that's all that's in there. And I know there's more in here. Okay, here's the card, and I'm saving that for last. This was also on my Christmas wish list. Yay! Oh, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Yay! So exciting. Oh my goodness, look at this. Like, that is like jam-packed full of stuff. Let's get this opened. Oh, tons of beads. Look at these. Oh my god. Oh, I think there we go. Those are so cool. They're like little hearts with little cherubs on the side. And then these ones here. Oh my god, these are so nice. Thank you so much. You spoiled me. Oh, I love them. And some black ones. Oh, And then some crowns. I hope you guys can see these. That is so wicked. And these ones, so now I can do like stick pins and little charms. Oh, oh my goodness! Like this has gone. I think seriously, she's gotten everything on my wish list, which I didn't expect, but I'm very, very, very thankful for. Oh my God! Tea time. Can you guys see that? It's like vintagey, and the flowers, she made those. And the trim, oh, and the little golf. Oh my God. I just looked at that. Oh, I get it, tea time. Oh, too funny, too funny. I love it, love it, love it. Oh. Handmade for You by Dana Michael. How adorable is that? Dana, I love it. Like, oh my God, I don't even know what to say. I think I'm speechless, which doesn't really happen all that often. I swear, it doesn't. Oh my God, I'm just going to stare at that all night. Oh, look at these huge doilies. Holy cow. Those are cool. And look at the ribbon. I don't know if you can see it all. I'll go like that. It's like Friendship, Baby Cakes, Blue, Greens. And then when you flip it over, it's Baby, Summer, Love, and Baby Cakes. Those are amazing. Love them. Oh, Dana. There's one more thing in here. This is so, so awesome. Oh my God. Check that out. That is beautiful. Did you make that? You'll have to tell me. Oh my God, that is just gorgeous. I love that. That is so, so cool. So, so cool. Holy cow, Dana. Oh, and I got a Christmas charm. How pretty. If you can see that, I don't know if the glare is too bad, but it's got some bulbs and a little, here, let me take it out. I'm sure I have enough time. Oh my God. I'm like blown away. So it's got like candy canes and, oh my God, a little elf. That is so beautiful. And a Christmas tree and little bulbs. Oh my God, Dana, that is beautiful. Thank you so, so, so much. And then something in here. That is so cool. And the little charm on there, the little hat. Oh, let's push that down. And the stick pins. They are gorgeous. Oh my God, they are amazing. I love the little case too. How you hold them together. Oh my God, Dana, thank you so, so, so much. Like, seriously, this is probably one of... Oh, and there's one there. It fell out. You can see that. Those are just gorgeous. Alrighty, so everybody knows Dana was my Secret Santa, and she spoiled me rotten. Look at the cute card she made, and the flowers, and the snowman. Oh my my gosh. Dear DL, I had so much fun shopping for you and making all your goodies. I hope you like the homemade gifts. It was a little challenging making personal gifts when I had a little to go by, but I think I got off to a good start. Enjoy your presents, and may you and your family have a very Merry Christmas. Your new friend, Crafty Christmas Mouse, a.k.a. Dana. YouTube is Taz61954. And that was handmade. Oh my God, Dana, thank you so much. Like, I'm speechless. I almost in tears. Like, this is beyond my wildest dreams. I never ever expected to get this, and I just truly appreciate it. Thank you. And a Merry Christmas to you as well.